cooking in the bowl, a promise of a meal, a humble little chickpea, a feeling so surreal. Into the warm water with spices all around, the best kind of magic in every single pound. The shallots and the ginger, a whisper in the heat, blended with the flavors, a moment so complete. The pan is full of goodness, a texture rich and deep, a promise of the comfort that a tired soul can keep. A final little touch, the tomatoes glow